Hi everybody, it's Lori, and I am bringing you a video tonight on how I stay keto during the holidays. And I just broke a nail. Dang it. It's okay. How I stay keto on the holidays and celebrations and going places. So we're going to do it. And I have tea tonight in my Christmas mug, and this is English afternoon for my advent calendar. Okay, so right now I made fathead pizza dough. I'm going to take this with me because what I'm doing is I'm going to my niece's tomorrow. Hi, Sarah. And taking my little cousins, my cutie patooties with us, and we have our nugget day, which is our little Christmas with the kids. We go see a movie, we play games, we have fun. We order pizza, but I'm not having pizza. So I made one fathead recipe, and I put them into these two tin pans from the Dollar Tree. This one I didn't quite make big because I wanted the other one a little thicker. And tonight for dinner, I'm making some cheesy bread. So I put olive oil and Parmesan cheese on this one. And on this one, I just left it plain. And there's fathead recipes everywhere. Now, I poke mine with a fork before I put it in a 425-degree oven, just to keep it from puffing up too much. And then for dinner tonight, I'll have this one. I'll melt some cheese on it. But right now, it's going into the oven. And I'll set the timer. I'm not sure how long it goes, but I'll start 20 minutes. There we go. Now, I'm going to be there all afternoon tomorrow night, and then coming home Sunday. So I'm going to pack some snacks for me and then put the rest in the fridge. So I got some Havarti cheese with dill from Aldi. This is fabulous cheese if you've never had it. Any cheese will do for me, but this I just wanted to try it. It felt festive, you know, holiday-like. So I think tomorrow we're going to go see The Fantastic Beasts if the kids haven't already seen it. And we play Parcheesi. It's a family favorite. I'll go back to Sarah's house. She's hosting this year. We will put a movie on and we'll sit on the floor and play board games. Have pizza, like I said. I may throw some, after this, I'll probably throw some cookies in the oven or in the morning to bring with us. So I'm not taking all of this with us. But the kids will have some too, I'm sure. So what's funny, I'm keto, which everybody I'm sure knows, which is, you know, all the meats and cheeses. Sarah, my cuppy cake, is vegetarian. So when I go to her house, I just pack stuff. And I'll bring some pork rinds and some stuff like that. But this is just my snack for the evening and probably a late lunch. So I have to pick up the kids in the afternoon. We'll hit Starbucks and then we'll go up to her house. So, you know, it'll be a long afternoon. So we'll do that and we'll do this. And then I got also at Aldi this bag of their Sims brand hard salami. And these only have 1 carb. The cheese has 0. I love these. I would tell you, when I went to Scotland last June, I took with me a bag of this in my luggage, and I ate it all week for dinner. We had a refrigerator in our room, and I kept this, and I just kept buying cheese, and this is what I had for the dinner most nights. It's just a good, easy meal for me to have. So, I will put in the fridge the cheese I'm leaving here for this week's dinners, lunches, whatever. And then this one I will take with me to Sarah. And I'll share it, like I said. But this is just something for me to have at her house. She's got food too, but I don't expect her to go out and buy things that she wouldn't normally eat. Alright, I'm going to let the pizza cook, put this stuff away, and then I'll show you how I'm going to take the prep with me to her house for the pizza. Alright, now, the crust is getting ready to come out of the oven. So I'm getting all my preparations done that I'll put in one large bag to take with me. I will tell you, these IKEA bags are the best. And I need to get out there and buy some more. But I want to keep everything together. Now, I could totally take this jar of marinara, the bag of this, the bag, then I have to bring it home. I'm not about that life. So, this marinara that I get at Aldi as well, 7 carbs for half a cup. So you really want to measure what you're doing. So I have a half a cup in here in this. These are the portion bags from Dollar Tree. So that's going to be, I may not use it all, but I'll have a half a cup with me. Some pepperonis for the pizza. Mozzarella, ooh, got sauce on me. Mozzarella cheese for the pizza. Real bacon bits that I got at Aldi. And then I'll put a little container of some Parmesan cheese and some garlic powder. Yeah, I think this is ready. And it was only in there a little over 10 minutes. I wasn't sure how long it would take in these smaller containers. But they're out. Now, I'm not turning it off yet because I'm going to zhuzh this one up for my dinner tonight. So I need more cheese. And then what I do for this one, because I'm going to put it back in the oven, this one's got to cool. That's the one I'm taking with me. This will be my dinner tonight. I put a little more olive oil on it, just like a cheesy bread would have. Some olive oil. And then I kind of just smear it on there. This already has some Parmesan cheese on it, but I baked into the crust. This is going to be delicious. So I have that on there, right? Then I take a little bit of this garlic, sprinkle that on there, because I'm making garlic cheesy bread. Get it? And then some mozzarella. On top of that, just a little bit. I don't need a lot. And then this will go in the oven. And let this all melt together. There we go. And then I'm going to put this all back in the oven. And that will be my dinner tonight. And then while that cools, decide if I want any more toppings, which I don't think I do. So this will go in the refrigerator. And then when I pack up the crust, it'll all go in there. And then I have a container that I'll pack it all up in for us to go. But all of this will go on the pizza and can be tossed away. And I don't have to bring anything home or leave for Sarah to have to deal with, because some of the stuff she doesn't eat. Right? Right. All right. I'll show you when I'm packing it all up. Alrighty, everybody. My dinner is ready. And these are my little bread cheesy sticks. I sliced them up and put them back in the oven to let them cook a little longer. And now they're going to cool. So that's dinner. Fathead pizza dough and the little marinara. And some tea. That's dinner. This crust is cooled off, and it will be wrapped up here in a little bit, and then I will pack up all the foods for tomorrow, minus the cookies I haven't baked yet. We'll be back. All right, we're going to pack it up. And this is my container that I'm taking in. This is the 31 container bag. And our Parcheesi might can go in the bottom. I'm also taking my niece some stuff, but I got some of these for her. And these are from the Dollar Tree perfect size s'mores cakes. And there are 4 for her and 4 for me, because I'm taking some to work as well. So I'll take those to her. And then I'm taking for me my pork rinds, but let's put the pizza crust in first. So I got my crust all wrapped up. All my fixings for it. That'll go on top. I have some candy for the kids because we're going to go see a movie. So I've got gummy bears and Fruity Bites for the house. While we're watching the movie, we have Muddy Buddies and pretzel, chocolate covered pretzel. For Aunt Lordy, I got a little bottle of Canadian Club for my tea. It's really good in hot tea. Popcorn in case the kids want some popcorn. My pork rinds. And then out of the fridge, my meat and cheese. Now, since it's cold here in Ohio, I'm just going to stick this whole thing in my garage, or my, as I call it, my redneck refrigerator. I'll put their Christmas presents on top and anything else. And that is how I stay keto when doing things during the holidays. I hope that's helpful to you guys, and I'll see you later. Night, Alex. Say goodbye. This fat boy, say hi. Alex, say hi. He's like, what are you doing, lady? All right, all right. All right, everybody. Have a good night.